Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna walk you through how to make iPhone alarm louder. So if you want to make your iPhone alarm louder, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is open the clock app on your phone, which is the clock icon. Just tap on it. Okay, now once you open your clock, you should have something like this. In some cases, once you open it, you can find it under the word clock section. So for you to be able to turn it back to the alarm section, just tap on the alarm clock right beside the word clock. Just tap on the alarm clock. Then from here, you can kind of configure any of these recent alarm, or you press the plus icon right here to customize the alarm. So if you want to set a new alarm, then you kind of want to make it louder. So once you customize the time for the alarm to make sound, then customize the numbers of days, stuff like that, then the next thing in line is how to make it louder. So tap on the sound. You can see currently your iPhone is the alarm for this particular phone is currently unknown. So whenever an alarm is set, it will not ring out because the sound for this particular alarm has been turned off. So for me to be able to do that, we're going to have to specifically pick an alarm, a sound for the alarm. So here's a quick guide. If you want to pick a sound for an alarm, you have to make sure that the alarm sound or the alarm tone is a kind of alarm, is a kind of sound that makes a bit of difference compared to other sounds. So if you want to go for any sound, you have to make sure that you pick a particular sound that is a little bit louder than others. So in some cases, just pick on this. Okay, good. You can see it's like a bell, so it creates an awareness for something that is making sound. So once you configure that, then you can just also configure the vibration mode. You can add a little bit active sound to it by adding the vibration. So these are the list of vibration options, but I prefer to be synchronized, which is the default. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.